morning, everyone. We are here to complete our English midterm assignment through this dialogue. Let me introduce us. My name is Alia Dwi Pratiwi, and these are my friends Hovifa Nurnia and Aulia Adisti. We are happy to have this conversation together, and we hope you enjoy our dialogue. Alright, let's begin.
Good morning, Miss Hovipa. Welcome to our office. It is truly a pleasure to finally meet you in person.
Good morning, Miss Alia. Thank you very much for the warm welcome. I appreciate the invitation to visit your company.
The pleasure is ours. Please come in and have a seat. I hope you had a comfortable journey.
Thank you. Yes, the journey was quite comfortable.
Please make yourself at home. If you need anything, don't hesitate to, to, let, to let me know.
That is very kind of you. Thank you.
Might I offer you something to drink? We have a coffee, tea, or mineral water.
I would prefer tea, please.
Certainly. Would you like it with sugar or lemon?
Just a little sugar, please.
Of course, I will arrange the right away. Here you are. Please enjoy.
Thank you very much.
So, Miss Opipa, how was your trip to our office? Was the traffic manageable this morning?
Overall, it was quite smooth. There was some traffic near the business district, but it did not cause significant delay.
Hmm, I'm glad to hear that traveling in this area can sometimes be unpredictable.
Yes, that's sure.
By the way, I understand that your manager was planning to join you today. Is he coming later?
Unfortunately, she could not make it. She had an urgent meeting that could not be rescheduled. However, she sent her regards and her sincere apologies.
We completely understand. Please convey our regards to her as well.
Certainly, I will.
Allow me to briefly explain our agenda for today. First, I will give you a tour around our office building so you can see our facilities and working environment. After that, you will have a formal meeting with our marketing manager, Miss Alia, to discuss our marketing strategy and potential collaboration opportunities. Finally, in the evening, we would be honored if you would join us for dinner.
That sounds like a very well organized schedule. I'm looking forward to the tour and the meeting.
Excellent. If you are ready, we can begin the office tour now.
Yes, I'm ready.
This is our main operation floor. Our team works closely together to ensure efficiency and strong internal communication.
I can see that the layout is very modern and open. It seems to encourage collaboration.
Yes, that is exactly our intention. We believe a comfortable work environment increases productivity and creativity.
That is very impressive.
On this floor, we have the finance department and customer service division. On the next floor, you will find the marketing and product development teams.
Thank you for the detailed explanation.
Miss Hofipa, I would, I would like to introduce you to our marketing manager, Miss Alia.
Good afternoon, Miss Hovipa. It is a pleasure to meet you.
Good afternoon, Miss Alia. The pleasure is mine. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me.
We truly appreciate your visit. Please have a seat.
I will leave you but to discuss the marketing matters. I will join again later.
Thank you, Miss Aulia. Okay, Miss Hovipa, allow me to briefly present our current marketing strategy. At the moment, we are focusing on expanding our digital presence and strengthening our brand awareness in the regional market. We are also exploring strategic partnership with reliable suppliers such as your company.
That is very interesting. Our company is also aiming to expand its distribution network this year.
That aligns perfectly with our objectives. We believe there is a strong potential for long-term collaboration between our companies.
I agree. Based on what I have seen today, your company has a solid structure and clear strategy.
Thank you for your positive feedback. We are committed to building sustainable partnerships.
I hope the meeting was productive.
Yes, indeed, it was very insightful and promising.
I am pleased to hear this. As I mentioned earlier, we would be delighted if you could join us for dinner this evening. It will give us an opportunity to continue your discussion in a more relaxed setting.
Thank you very much for the kind invitation. I would be honored to join you.
That would be wonderful. We can also introduce you to some of our senior team members during dinner.
That sounds excellent.
Perfect. We will pick you up from your hotel at 6:30 p.m. and dinner will begin at 6 at 7 p.m.
Thank you again for your hospitality and professionalism today.
It's, it is our pleasure.
We look forward to successful collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you. Kita ganti background dulu kan?
Ini berhentiin dulu aja kali ya itunya. Beda
Eh,
situation.
in- recordnya.
Mm-mm.
Ya boleh boleh.
Hi Hovipa, hi Aulia, thank you for meeting me today. I really need your help to make an important decision.
Hi Alia, you look serious. What's going on?
Yes, you seem a bit stressed. Tell us what happened.
Well, as you both know, I've been working in the city center for almost a year. Every day, I spend around 2 hours commuting from where I live to my office. Recently, I found an apartment for sale very close to my workplace. It's only 10 minutes away on foot. I'm thinking about buying it, but I'm still not sure.
Wow, buying an apartment is a big decision. Why are you hesitating?
There are three main reasons. First, the apartment is quite small. Second, it's expensive. And third, it's far from my family. I'm afraid I might regret it later.
I understand. Let's talk about the first concern. How small is the apartment?
It's about 28 square meters. It only has one bedroom, a small kitchen, and a teeny living area.
Honestly, since you live alone, I think that size is still reasonable. You don't need a hug space, right?
That's true, but I'm worried I might feel uncomfortable in such a small place.
A small apartment can actually feel cozy if you arrange it well. You can use multifunctional furniture and smart storage ideas.
Yes, and it will be easier to clean and maintain. Less space means less stress.
That's a good point. I never thought about it like that.
Now, about the price, is it within your financial ability?
I will need to pay monthly installment for many years. I can't afford it, but it will definitely reduce my savings.
But think about this way. Right now, you are paying rent every month. That money is gone. If you buy the apartment, you are investing in your own property.
Exactly. Apartment in the city center usually increase in value. It could be a good long-term investment.
That's true. I'm just afraid of financial pressure.
As long as you've calculated your budget carefully and still have emergency savings, it should be manageable.
And don't forget, living close to your office will save transportation costs and time. You won't be exhausted from commuting every day.
Hmm, that part really attracts me. I'm so tired of trekking every morning.
Imagine wake up later and just walking to work. Your life would be much more balanced.
That sounds really nice.
Now, about being far from your family, how far exactly?
Around 5 hours by car. I won't be able to visit them often.
That's understandable, but you can still visit during holidays or long weekend.
And with technology, you can call or video chat anytime. Distance doesn't mean losing connection.
I know. I just feel sad thinking about being far from them.
It's normal to feel that way, but this is also part of growing up and becoming independent.
Yes, this decision is about building your future. Sometimes we have to step out of our comfort zone.
You're right. After listening to both of you, I feel more confident. The location is strategic, it's good investment, and it will improve my daily life.
So, have you made your decision?
Yes, I've decided to buy the apartment.
That's wonderful. Congratulations.
We're so proud of you. Just make sure you read the contract carefully.
I will. Thank you both so much for your advice. I really appreciate your support.
Anytime, Alia. That's what friends are for.
And don't forget to invite us to your housewarming party.
Of course. Thank you again for helping me make this decision.